Welcome to my Sezzle review. If you're looking for a reliable way to split your online purchases into easy payments, Sezzle might be the right choice for you. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Sezzle, from its user interface to its payment options. First off, let's take a look at what Sezzle offers. It's a payment service that allows you to break up your purchases into 4 equal payments, typically paid every 2 weeks, which is really convenient for budget-conscious shoppers. Sezzle's website is easy to navigate, with clear instructions for setting up an account. To get started, you simply need to create an account on their platform. Once that's done, you can link your payment methods and start shopping at any of their partner retailers. Many online stores accept Sezzle as a payment option, making it widely accessible. It's especially useful for those who want to avoid upfront costs but still enjoy the flexibility of paying later. Now, let's talk about Sezzle's payment plan. Once you make a purchase, Sezzle automatically splits the total amount into 4 interest-free installments. The first payment is due immediately, while the next 3 payments are automatically deducted every 2 weeks. This makes it an easy-to-use service for managing finances without paying the full amount at once. However, if you miss a payment, you may be charged a fee, so it's important to keep track of your payment schedule. Many useful links can be found in the description. These will provide additional information on Sezzle's terms, privacy policy, and other important details. Make sure to check those out for a deeper dive into Sezzle's services. In terms of usability, Sezzle's mobile app is simple and intuitive. You can manage your payments, view your upcoming due dates, and even pay off your balance early if you choose. It's a great tool for keeping track of all your transactions in one place. Plus, Sezzle's customer support is responsive, offering assistance through email or live chat for any issues you may encounter. When considering whether to use Sezzle, it's important to weigh the benefits against any potential fees. As mentioned earlier, late fees can apply if you miss a payment, so always ensure that you can meet the due dates before committing to a purchase. That being said, Sezzle is an excellent option for those who want to make larger purchases without the burden of paying upfront. So, should you use Sezzle? If you're a frequent online shopper and want the option to break your payments into smaller, manageable chunks, Sezzle could be a great choice. It's fast, flexible, and has no hidden fees as long as you stay on top of your payments. Remember, it's important to check the available stores that accept Sezzle and ensure that it fits your shopping habits. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this one.